Residential window replacement in Murray UT delivers immediate comfort, better curb appeal, and lower utility bills for homeowners seeking lasting value. Murray residential window replacement services can include vinyl window replacement, double pane window replacement, triple pane windows, and low-E windows designed for Utah weather. Home window replacement in Murray, Utah helps improve insulation in older properties and newer builds alike, while energy-efficient windows support year-round performance in Salt Lake County. From residential window contractors to Murray, Utah licensed window installers, homeowners can find custom window replacement solutions tailored to style, budget, and performance goals. House window installation in Murray should begin with accurate measurements, quality materials, and a skilled crew familiar with local home styles. Window contractors near Murray UT often recommend window frame replacement, residential glass replacement, and window seal replacement when drafts, fogging, or cracked panes appear. New windows for homes in Murray, Utah can transform comfort quickly, and window upgrade services make it easy to replace outdated units with modern, efficient options. For homeowners comparing replacement windows in Murray and Salt Lake County, choosing experienced home window installers in Murray can simplify every step of the project. Energy-efficient windows are a smart upgrade for homeowners wanting to reduce heating and cooling costs across Murray, Utah. Low-E window replacement Murray, Utah options help reflect heat, stabilize indoor temperatures, and protect furnishings from UV exposure. Double pane window replacement Murray projects improve thermal performance, while triple pane windows add another layer of insulation and sound control. Murray UT energy-efficient window replacement is especially valuable for houses near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas. With affordable window replacement Murray, Utah services, it is possible to achieve high performance without sacrificing style or budget. Custom window replacement allows homeowners to match architectural details, improve functionality, and boost property value. Custom windows. Murray, Utah can include casement window replacement, double-hung window replacement, awning window replacement, sliding window replacement, bay window replacement, and picture window replacement to fit specific room needs. Whether the project involves new construction windows or old window replacement, choosing the right style matters for ventilation, light, and aesthetics. Residential window replacement Murray UT specialists can recommend the best design for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms throughout Murray and nearby areas. Broken window replacement and residential glass replacement are essential when damage threatens safety, comfort, or energy efficiency. Murray residential glass replacement services often address cracked panes, shattered glass, failed seals, and moisture between panes before the issue worsens. Residential window installation and replacement Murray options can restore function fast, especially when a full window replacement is not yet necessary. If the damage involves warped materials or deteriorating frames, window frame replacement Murray UT may be the better long-term solution. Fast service from Murray, Utah licensed window installers helps protect homes from weather and security concerns. Vinyl replacement windows Murray UT remain a top choice for homeowners seeking durability, low maintenance, and reliable insulation. Vinyl window replacement offers a clean appearance, strong performance, and resistance to peeling, rotting, or frequent repainting. Home window replacement with vinyl frames works well for many styles, including double-hung window replacement and sliding window replacement. Murray UT old window replacement services often recommend vinyl when updating aging homes that need a cost-effective yet attractive upgrade. For homeowners looking for the best residential window replacement in Murray, Utah, vinyl is often a practical and stylish answer. Soundproof residential windows Murray can make a major difference for homes near traffic, rail lines, or busy neighborhood streets. Soundproof windows paired with double-pane window replacement or triple-pane windows help reduce outside noise while improving indoor peace. Home window installers in Murray can suggest low-E windows and upgraded glazing to improve both sound control and energy savings. Window replacement near Holiday and Murray and window replacement in South Salt Lake and Murray often includes noise reduction requests for bedrooms, offices, and living areas. A quieter home adds comfort that lasts every day. Window retrofit services are a useful option when homeowners want improved performance without changing every opening. Retrofit installations can work well for residential window replacement projects where existing frames are still structurally sound but the glass, seals, or sashes need attention. Residential window contractors may recommend window seal replacement, low-E window replacement Murray, Utah, or a full window frame replacement Murray, UT depending on condition and goals. House window installation in Murray can also include retrofit methods for older homes, giving homeowners modern efficiency with less disruption and quicker turnaround. Awning window replacement and casement window replacement are popular choices for improved ventilation and easy operation. Murray UT casement window installation gives homeowners a sleek, functional option that opens wide for fresh air, while awning windows work well in bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. These styles pair nicely with custom window replacement and energy-efficient windows for better airflow and comfort. Residential window replacement. Murray, Utah projects often mix styles to suit different rooms, and window upgrade services can help homeowners create a balanced design that enhances the entire property. Replacement doors Murray can complement residential window replacement by improving entry security, insulation, and overall exterior style. Many homeowners scheduling window replacement near Holiday and Murray also explore replacement doors Murray to create a coordinated upgrade for front entries, patio access, and backyard transitions. When combined with new construction windows, home window replacement, and custom window replacement, updated doors can increase curb appeal and performance across the home. Murray, Utah window upgrade specialists often coordinate both projects so homeowners can enjoy a polished look and better efficiency throughout the property. For replacement doors Murray homeowners can pair new entry upgrades with residential window replacement for a stronger, more efficient exterior. Home window replacement, house window installation, and window frame replacement improve curb appeal while supporting better insulation and lower energy use in Murray, UT. From old window replacement to broken window replacement, local residential window contractors help match styles, materials, and performance goals for homes across Murray, Utah, South Salt Lake, Holiday, and nearby neighborhoods. Murray UT energy-efficient window replacement is a smart upgrade for comfort, savings, and year-round performance. Energy-efficient windows, low-E windows, double-pane window replacement, and triple-pane windows help reduce drafts, improve temperature control, and support quieter interiors. Homeowners looking for window upgrade services often choose vinyl window replacement or vinyl replacement windows Murray UT for durability, low maintenance, and value. These options work well for new windows for homes in Murray, Utah and replacement windows in Murray and Salt Lake County. Residential glass replacement and window seal replacement are essential when damage, fogging, or leaks affect your home. Murray residential glass replacement services can address cracked panes, failed seals, and worn frames with fast, reliable solutions. Residential window installation and replacement Murray services also cover window retrofit services for older properties needing improved efficiency without full rebuilds. For added comfort, soundproof residential windows Murray and soundproof windows help reduce traffic and neighborhood noise. Custom window replacement gives homeowners more design flexibility with styles like casement window replacement, double-hung window replacement, awning window replacement, sliding window replacement, bay window replacement, and picture window replacement. Custom windows Murray, Utah can be designed for specific openings, aesthetic preferences, and performance needs. Whether you need house window installation in Murray, Murray UT casement window installation, or Murray, Utah sliding window replacement, the right fit can improve both function and appearance. Affordable window replacement Murray, Utah is available through Murray, Utah licensed window installers and window contractors near Murray, UT who understand local homes and weather demands. From window replacement near Holiday and Murray to window replacement in South Salt Lake and Murray, Experienced crews handle residential window replacement Murray, UT projects of every size. Murray, Utah window upgrade specialists can recommend low-E window replacement Murray, Utah, double pane window replacement Murray, or new construction windows for remodeling and build to suit needs. Murray, UT old window replacement services and window replacement services are ideal for aging homes, damaged frames, and inefficient glass. Residential window replacement Murray, Utah often includes window frame replacement Murray, UT, residential glass replacement, and customized installation for larger openings or specialty designs. Home window installers in Murray can also support best residential window replacement in Murray, Utah with options tailored to climate, budget, and long-term performance.